Charging your electric vehicle at home has never been easier. The best home EV charging stations combine speed, safety, and convenience, giving you reliable power every time. Upgrade your setup and enjoy faster, smarter charging without leaving your driveway. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ChargePoint Home Flex. The ChargePoint Home Flex is a premium Level 2 EV charger designed for flexibility, speed, and long-term reliability. Capable of delivering up to 48 amps when hardwired, it provides as much as 46 miles of driving range per hour of charging, making it up to 9 times faster than a standard household outlet. For those who prefer a plug-in setup, it comes pre-configured for a NEMA 1450 plug, offering up to 40 amps and still an impressive 38 miles per hour charge rate. Installation options are versatile, but for the highest performance and safety, a professional installation is strongly recommended. Safety is a top priority with the ChargePoint Home Flex, as it is UL listed, Energy Star certified, and compliant with rigorous industry standards, including NEC 625, SAE-J 1772, and multiple UL safety certifications. One of its standout features is smart charging capability. With 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, you can link the charger to your mobile device through the ChargePoint app, enabling remote monitoring, charging schedule adjustments, and detailed energy usage tracking. This is particularly useful for optimizing charging during off-peak utility hours to reduce energy costs. Universally compatible via its SAE-J 1772 connector, it works seamlessly with all EVs sold in North America, including Tesla vehicles when using an adapter. The build quality is robust, suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations, and backed by a strong reputation in the EV charging industry. The ability to adjust amperage during setup allows users to match the charger to their home's electrical capacity, making it ideal for a range of households. For EV owners looking for a future-proofed, powerful, and smart charging solution, the ChargePoint Home Flex offers an excellent combination of performance, connectivity, and safety. Number 2. JuiceBox 40 Smart EV Charger. The JuiceBox 40 Smart EV Charger is a highly capable, Wi-Fi connected Level 2 charging station that blends power, efficiency, and smart features into a sleek package. With its 40 amp output, it can deliver up to 7 times faster charging than a standard wall outlet, significantly reducing downtime between drives. Designed with compatibility in mind, it uses the industry standard SAE-J 1772 connector, making it suitable for a wide range of electric vehicles including the Chevrolet Bolt, Nissan Leaf, BMW i3, and more. For Tesla owners, a simple adapter enables seamless integration. The included 25-foot cable ensures convenient reach, allowing flexibility in where you park your car. The unit's wall mount design is space-saving, and the build quality is robust enough for both indoor and outdoor installation. One of its biggest advantages is the smart connectivity through Wi-Fi, which allows you to monitor and control your charging sessions from anywhere using their free JuiceNet app. With this app, you can schedule charging during off-peak hours to save on electricity costs, receive notifications when your vehicle is fully charged, and track energy consumption in real time. It's also compatible with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, adding a layer of hands-free convenience. Safety has not been overlooked. This charger is UL listed and comes with multiple protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, and other electrical issues. Installation is straightforward for a qualified electrician, and the unit supports flexible power settings to match your home's electrical capacity. Number 3. Grizzly Classic Level 2 EV Charger. The Grizzly Classic Level 2 EV Charger is built for durability, simplicity, and reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for EV owners who prioritize rugged construction and easy portability. This heavy-duty unit comes with a NEMA 1450 plug and a 24-foot premium cable, offering excellent flexibility in positioning your vehicle. It is compatible with all electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles sold in North America, and its adjustable amperage settings, 16A, 24A, 32A, and 40A, allow you to match the charging power to your home's electrical system. At its maximum 40 amp setting, it delivers 28 to 30 miles of range per hour, enabling quick top-ups or full charges overnight.
One of the standout aspects of the Grizzly is its robust protection features. It has undergone full UL testing and certification, making it eligible for federal rebate programs, and offers safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, ground fault, and overheating. It even features power outage recovery and self-monitoring capabilities. The unit boasts an IP67 water-resistant and fire-resistant enclosure, along with a NEMA 4 rating, meaning it can handle harsh outdoor conditions without issue.
Number 4. Wallbox Pulsar Plus 48A. The Wallbox Pulsar Plus 48A is a compact yet powerful Level 2 EV charging station designed for homeowners who want top-tier performance without sacrificing style or space. With a maximum output of 40 amps, it can charge your electric vehicle up to 7 times faster than a standard 110V outlet, delivering around 30 miles of range per hour. A security lock adds an extra layer of protection for shared or outdoor charging environments. What sets the Wallbox Pulsar Plus apart is its smart connectivity. Using the free JuiceNet app, you can remotely control and monitor charging sessions, receive notifications when charging is complete, and even set reminders to plug in your vehicle. The app also enables you to schedule charging during off-peak hours to take advantage of lower electricity rates, maximizing cost efficiency. The unit is UL listed and Energy Star certified, meeting high safety and efficiency standards. Installation is designed for hardwiring by a qualified electrician, ensuring a secure and long-lasting setup. Additionally, the Pulsar Plus 48A is compatible with many utility rebate programs, further reducing the cost of ownership.
Number 5. Emporia Level 2 EV Charger. The Emporia Level 2 EV Charger offers a well-balanced mix of affordability, smart features, and dependable performance, making it a standout choice for budget-conscious EV owners who don't want to compromise on quality. Delivering up to 48 amps when hardwired, it provides up to 11.5 kilowatts of charging power, adding around 30 to 35 miles of range per hour. This allows you to optimize charging during off-peak hours to save money and reduce grid impact. It's compatible with all electric vehicles sold in North America through its SAE J1772 connector, and Tesla owners can easily use it with an adapter. Installation can be done with a NEMA 1450 plug for up to 40 amps, or hardwired for the full 48 amps, offering flexibility to suit your home's electrical capacity. The best home DV charging stations offer speed, safety, and convenience tailored to your needs. From the smart features of ChargePoint to the rugged Grizzly and value-packed Emporia, each delivers reliable performance. With the right charger, you'll enjoy faster charging, lower costs, and the daily convenience of starting every trip fully powered.